It should be the fallback. Oh, enabled is not defined. I will say, is weapon proficiency enabled? Oh, I can just do our main, I can do this. Our main commands enabled. Because you can only check the weapon proficiency if someone exists in the party. So that's all we're caring about as well. Command window's not defined. 260. Oh. It will be this command window, I believe. Right, Weapon Prof, you click on it, it allows you to select someone just like these do. And when you click on it, right, this is us in our own scene now, but we haven't actually finished setting it up, so it breaks. So let's go to scene status again and see what does it do to create the status window. We'll just stick this in. I'm not sure. We'll stick it in and we'll see. Status window rect. Status window rect. Oh, forgot to change the name of it. Jeez, come on. Status params window rect is not a thing. It just keeps going. You know what? This is probably not the right thing anyway. This is a full status window, which is not really what we're looking for. We're just looking for the actor window, essentially. So let's see. Scene equip. No. Where's scene skill? Create actor window. Right, we'll go with that. Maybe it's because it's an item base. Yeah, item base has create actor window. What is this one? Menu base. Yep. You know what? Let's just be item base as well. Didn't really create an actor for us though. Oh, wrong one here. Item base and item base. Okay. So I'm clearly missing something out here. Let's just go for it. Let's just go for it. We're going crazy. Right, so replace scene skill with this. Go bump, bump. Okay, let's just run it. It should look exactly the same as skill window. Okay, cool, cool. So, what do we really want here? Maybe stretch this the full way across. Is there anything else that looks like that? Hmm. We could have the weapon types up here. In this window here, we will have just the weapon type, I guess, with the experience next to it. Okay, don't need a skill type window. Crime window, actor window. What's status? What's status window then? Oh, wrong thing. Okay. We don't want a skill type window. There's no OK. You can't OK on the window. Right, so let's see. Item window rect. Status window. We have a status window. Um, how do I get the line height for, let's see, car, it's not just text height, come on, there's definitely another one than that. Calc, calc window height, okay. And then we pass in maybe 3 and then true. Set skill window. Yeah, not a thing anymore. Set actor of undefined. Oh, yeah, okay, that can go. Okay, okay. So this we can stretch over. And this we can just expand and then have the different ones in here. So the status window width, we're not going to have anything removed. We're just going to go straight to the end. And the window height is going to be the same thing. Just graphics dot box height minus the status window. I think. Hey. You know what? Main area height is maybe fine. So is this because I took out the help? So maybe it's just graphics dot box height minus top area or main area top minus that. There we go. Okay, so the main area top's probably this nonsense. So now we just need to activate it. So upon creating the item window, we will refresh and then activate it maybe. Just select the 0th point. So now weapon skill list, let's find that. Or window skill list, and we're going to change it to someone else. So window skill list will be window weapon proficiency list. And it builds upon item list now, or maybe just window selectable then. Um, so that's fine. Set actor, yep, okay. Set skill type ID is not a thing. Let's go one column per one. I would like to just use item list here, and then we just, yeah. You know what? That's maybe not good. If we do skill list, get rid of this. Don't need to set the actor anymore. We do overwrite with that. We don't care about that. We don't care about that. That. Is current item enabled? Um, Probably just true for that. We say true because everything in the list we want to be a bright color, brightly drawn, but it won't actually be clickable. Select last, draw item, that will be important. Let's see. Okay, now we just need to make the list and then draw it. Mm, I'm wondering if there's a way of leaving out skills. Like if we don't want if we don't want every proficiency to be added to their list because they can only equip certain ones. Let's see if there's an easy way of doing this. Game, actor. Do they have a can equip? can equip. Ooh. What is that? Can equip. Let's see. That's game battler base. Interesting. So that'll be an easy way of saying this then. We'll filter out and say only if they can equip. Oh, that's what we're looking for. Is equip weapon type okay? Oof. Oof. Easy. So if the actor exists, the data will be um, this dot data is equal to data system weapon types. No, we'll do object dot keys. Weapon proficiencies dot filter weapon proficiency, and then we'll say this dot includes what am I trying to do here? For I, we'll say this is for data system dot weapon types. Say weapon type is equal to that. And we'll do if this dot includes, you know what, just I. We'll put through I. And then in includes, we will inside includes, we will return this dot, or not this, it would be this actor dot is equip weapon type okay, and in here it will be weapon type ID. So we're saying if they can equip this type of weapon, we'll add it to the list. So when we're drawing, we get the weapon type ID from this thing. It's item art. What does item art do? If data exists and if that is within. Okay, good stuff. It's just a little safety check. If that is a real thing, we will try to draw weapon type name, data system, dot weapon types, and then just pass in the weapon type ID. If the weapon type name is nothing, then return because it's screwed. And then we'll try and get the EXP text. This really short script has ended up being really long again. I need to stop giving myself the kiss of death by saying it's going to be a nice short one. So experience text, I should offer a way of changing this as well. We will say const current exp is equal to actor dot get weapon proficiency exp, and then exp for next level, but also get the level. So get weapon proficiency level for this thing, then get the exp for the next level, level +1. So this is going to be current exp and exp for next level. We'll say this dot draw text weapon type name rect x, rect y, rect dot width, and then I think no alignment means it draws at the start, and then we'll do the same thing. EXP text, but we'll pop that at the end. So I don't know if this is going to work. As usual, you just kind of feel it out. Maybe need to change some things, but yeah, we'll see what happens. Skill is not defined. 369. If this dot is enabled, we're just going to say 1. We're just going to say it's 1. We never actually need to change the opacity since it doesn't ever change. Wow, it just works, doesn't it? Just works. Dagger, sword, flare. Oh, cannot read property, activate of undefined. On item cancel, 312, all good. Yep. Yeah, on item cancel, we just want to pop the scene, I believe. So let's get rid of this on item cancel. how do you do that again? Pop scene. Let's see. Oh, this dot pop scene dot bind. Just put that in there instead. Oh, there's no help window. Right, so I can't click on it, the confirm, so I can back out. Wonderful. So let's get into a fight, get some experience. Oh, I've not even drawn the level. What an idiot. Okay. Why are they not dying? Oh my god. Okay. Alright, so now it expects 35, but yeah, I need to draw the level after this. So probably be dagger level something rather than level something dagger, right? Hmm. You know what? Weapon type name. Let's get the. We just grabbed the level there, so experience text, and then we'll put name and level text. Start text, and I'll say end text. Equals, we're going to say weapon type name plus, and then plus. I will grab some weapons, but also level up, because I want to get these fights done with quick. And so I'll give them like 8 more levels. It should be enough. So let's see. I am equip. Got different things now. So we'll start off with a sword. We'll attack. Okay, please don't break. Sword level 5. Okay. Let's change to the knife. You have skills for this? No. You know what? Attack needs to just take whatever weapon you are using and give you skill points for that. Let's say a dual attack. He gets dual attack. We'll just click twice and we'll get that. Dual attack requires a dagger though. Okay, we're level 33. Equip the knife. Ah, come on. Okay, one more. Okay, so Dagger gained 10 experience for doing that. We'll swap to the longsword again. Yep, the sword got to level 5. And hopefully it's... Oh yeah, 5 is the max level, so it's capping out. So I need to have a way of saying just max at the end here. So we'll say let end text equal that, but then we'll do a little check saying if level is equal to maximum proficiency level, we'll just change this to say something else. Max level, max weapon proficiency. Okay, maximum proficiency level text. We'll pop that in a little bit here. Maximum proficiency level text. Text displayed in the weapon proficiency scene when a weapon has reached max proficiency. We'll just say dash dash, but we actually want it to say max. So I'll test it first. Okay, that is good because it levels you up. I don't need to get into battle to do it. So let's see. 1, 1, 1. So now we're at 5 and it says dash dash, awesome. But we will allow this to pop in like that. Say max. Oh, see the full typing has been added as well now. We go max. So we can gain experience. Even comes up during combat. What else do we have here? Ideally, I would do something like this, but for the text display in the menu. But it's not such a big deal. If someone wants to edit this, it's very easy. You just come in here. Start text is what's being drawn at the start. It is just the weapon name and then level and then the level. Very easy to switch this around if you want to. The end text is just experience with a dash and then the experience for next level. Again, this can all be changed. You can add this into the start text if you want. And I don't think there's any need for extra save and load functions because it's all built into the game actor, which will be saved anyway. Well, just to test it, let's upgrade. So level 5 for sword. Save the game. Reload. Continue. And still level 5. Okay. I've just got a little something to add on because I forgot about this. Always reward weapon proficiency EXP. This will grant weapon proficiency EXP to whichever weapon type is equipped. So let's just say this doesn't require sword. I'm gonna have to catch that somewhere. So here we go. This little bit here. If skill dot meta dot so first of all, if this isn't a thing, then we'll run the checks to see. Equipped weapon. Check the equipped weapon. Let's just see if that is good enough. It might just work. So we have 0 for dagger and sword. I'm gonna equip the dagger first. Use strong attack. I will use strong attack again. Check weapon. So dagger got the experience. Now let's just equip the long sword and fight again. We're going to use the same skill, strong attack. Strong attack. And sword got the experience. So yeah, that's all it took. Just one little flag. And that's what you would use on attack. So that regardless of what weapon they have equipped, doesn't matter here, it will always reward weapon proficiency experience. But you do need to remember to actually award some experience. Good stuff. I think this starter one is probably done. And I'm probably going to work on the weapon proficiency add-on for not being able to use certain weapons unless you are at a proficiency level, and then probably after that I'll work on increasing stats every time you level up as well. Okay, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe and all that.